Welcome to the Compost channel. Today, we're going to make our own organic pesticide that is completely safe and, best of all, totally free. This method uses older papaya leaves to get rid of mealybugs and caterpillars with incredible results and at absolutely zero cost. The biggest benefit is that it knocks out pests fast within 48 hours while remaining completely non-toxic. This solution is perfectly safe around the grandkids and does a wonderful job protecting our friendly pollinators like bees and butterflies. The key to making this work is that we absolutely must use papaya leaves that have already turned yellow and weathered. Many folks ask me why we don't just use the young green leaves. Well, the reason is that those older leaves actually pack a much stronger punch of natural defenses. As a papaya leaf ages, the tree concentrates all of its protective minerals and defensive enzymes right into that old leaf. At the same time, the plant's natural insect-fighting neurotoxins build up there, creating a powerful organic weapon. The concentration of these natural toxins reaches its peak in the older leaves, which helps clear out garden pests in no time. The whole process takes just 5 simple steps that any of us can easily do right at home. The very first step is getting your water ready. You'll want to prepare just enough tap water for what you need today. Just leave that tap water sitting outside for about 24 hours so all the chlorine can completely evaporate. Getting rid of that chlorine is super important because it will destroy the helpful enzymes waiting inside the papaya leaves. The second step is preparing your leaves. Go ahead and give those old papaya leaves a really thorough wash. Once they're clean, we'll take a knife and chop the leaves into small pieces to speed up the extraction process. Next, toss those chopped leaves into a bowl or mortar and give them a good mashing with a clean wooden pestle. The whole point of mashing them up is to break open those tough cell walls inside the leaves. Once those cells break open, a wonderful active compound called papain is released right into the mix. This papain enzyme is our secret weapon, as it works wonders at breaking down the protective outer coating of those pesky bugs. The third step is letting the mixture steep. You'll want to grab a clean glass jar to soak everything in. The perfect golden ratio is about 3.5 ounces of mashed papaya leaves, soaked in a quart of that chlorine-free water. Put all the leaves into your jar, pour the water right over them, and give it a good stir with a spoon so everything blends together nicely. After that, cover the top of the jar with a piece of cheesecloth or thin fabric to keep any stray bugs from falling in. Using a breathable cloth instead of a tight lid keeps the airflow going, which creates a great environment for those good microbes. The ideal steeping time is anywhere from 24 to 48 hours in a nice, cool, shaded spot. During this time, all those wonderful protective compounds from the papaya leaves will slowly dissolve right into the water. The fourth step is straining your brew. After steeping, the water will turn a deep, dark green and have a bit of an earthy scent. You'll need a fine strainer or cloth and a funnel to easily pour off this potent liquid. Slowly pour the mixture through your cloth, giving it a really good squeeze to wring out every last drop of goodness. Filtering it well with a fine cloth is a must, so you don't get any debris that could clog up your spray nozzle later on. And don't throw away those leftover leaf grounds. You can toss them right into your garden soil as fertilizer. The fifth step is adding a sticker agent. This is a fantastic little trick to make your spray even more effective against pests. You can add just a few drops of organic eco-friendly dish soap to your strained liquid and give it a gentle stir. If you don't have organic dish soap on hand, fresh aloe vera gel works beautifully as a natural sticker too. This helper helps the spray stick tight to the slippery bodies of the bugs and keeps it on the leaves longer. To give it some extra punch, you can also stir a spoonful of pure garlic powder right into the mix. That sharp garlic scent combined with the papaya leaf compounds will make quick work of those mealybugs. And just like that, our homemade organic pesticide is finished and ready to go to work. Carefully pour the whole mixture into a good quality pressure sprayer for an easy application. However, before you start spraying, there are a few very important safety tips to keep in mind. First and foremost, never spray your plants during the heat of the day when the sun is beating directly down on them. That intense midday sun, combined with the active ingredients in the spray, can cause some nasty leaf burn. The absolute best time to spray is in the cool of the evening or early in the morning before the day warms up. The second tip is all about your spraying technique. You'll want to spray evenly and make sure you get full coverage. Be especially sure to spray the undersides of the leaves, since that's exactly where those bugs love to hide out. Mealybugs are clever little things. They usually huddle tight in the leaf joints or underneath to dodge sprays from above. The moment that spray hits the mealybugs, it goes right to work, breaking down their protective waxy coating. Right away, the natural compounds from the papaya leaf step in and take care of the rest. As for the caterpillars, this solution makes them lose their appetite, causing them to weaken and clear out quickly. You'll easily notice a wonderful difference just about 48 hours after you spray. The third tip is about how often to use it. To truly get rid of mealybugs for good, a single spray won't quite do the trick. That's because the eggs of mealybugs and caterpillars are still hiding deep down in the soil or in the cracks of the leaves. So, you'll want to repeat the treatment 3 times, spacing each spraying about 3 to 5 days apart. This routine ensures you catch all the new hatchlings, stopping the spread right in its tracks. Compared to those pricey commercial chemicals, this papaya leaf brew saves you a pretty penny. Even better, it doesn't leave behind any harsh chemical residues that could ruin your garden soil. You can have peace of mind letting the grandkids play in the yard even right after you've finished spraying. At the same time, helpful garden friends like bees and butterflies stay completely safe to keep your yard thriving. This is what true sustainable gardening is all about, respecting Mother Nature and protecting your family's health. Making this papaya leaf brew is a wonderful habit to add to your regular garden care routine. It's also a great secret to share over the fence with your neighbors, so you can all enjoy a clean, healthy community together. If you don't have a papaya tree in your yard yet, you might want to plant one soon, so you always have this resource handy. Let's take a look at how beautifully the garden is doing after just 1 month of using this wonderful method. Look at these gorgeous green leaves, without a single trace of mealybugs or caterpillar damage anywhere. The true joy of gardening isn't just the harvest, it's living in perfect harmony with Mother Nature. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more handy gardening tips. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. Take care, and I'll see you next time right here on the Compost channel.